guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you haven't read by the title of this video, basically you're gonna see how I got this look, how I got this hair, how I cut it myself, how I blow dry it to get this volume. So if you want to see this, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you guys see more of me and my weekly videos. So please stay tuned and let's get into the video. I use Born This Way by Too Faced and my shade is Warm Sand. It's been a while since I got ready and I haven't really been putting content up as far as like Instagram pictures. I have kind of, but not really. But I don't know, I've just been going through a lot and I'm not really going through stuff, but dealing with things in the family. And I'm really gonna try to do these weekly videos with you guys because I just want to grow my YouTube channel, get more subscribers. And then I use Milk Makeup Golden Honey. So this is my favorite. Oops, I usually don't go down, but I'm not thinking right now. I usually just go up, so I might as well match the sides. So go up instead of down because you don't want to drag your face. And then same with the sides. I usually put more concealer than foundation only because I like a more brighter face than what I have, you know. It's me, but today I'm just gonna get ready, take some pictures for MAXZIM boutique, which is, by the way, my sister's boutique. She does it all on her own and I'm the model for most of the, or all of the clothes. So I help her out here and there by just taking pictures in the clothes and then posting it on Instagram to get you guys aware of like the boutique. And my other sister actually made her own business with jewelry on Instagram. It's called BEIN LUXE. You should go follow her. I'll put both of the Instagram accounts in the description box below. So MAXZIM Boutique and then BEIN LUXE. I use the CoverGirl Clean Professional here. It's 115 medium. Just put it under. And then put it up. And then the rest just goes all over my face. I pat it in because I like a matte face. Eyelids seem to be very oily, like for the whole day, so I put powder on them because I freaking hate oily eyelids. This is where a little mirror comes in because I need a little mirror to see how to put them on. But I only do it for, I use the Duo Do Not Freeze. No, I'm just kidding. Not funny. It says Do Not Freeze right there, but it is not the shade. The Duo Clear Adhesive. It's a brush on. This one doesn't really need to get tacky. You put it on and then it like sticks right away. But I guess I could put it on now. The lashes I'm using are Look So Natural, Kiss Natural Effect. Yes, mother. Yes, mother.
You want to walk with us?
No, thank you. I'm recording a video.
Okay.
They're very long. But it's also because when I look up, I'm looking at the camera and it's up, so my eyes are all like, I don't know, but they're not for everyone. Okay, so the eyebrow pencil I'm using, I barely fill in my eyebrows, but I'm using Maybelline New York Brow Define Plus Fill Duo in the color Black Brown. Okay. And for the bronzer, I use the Becky G times ColourPop LA shade. These are no longer in stock or like no longer like available because something happened, but I'm sad because I can never get it. I just like really like because it's more on like the pinky side, so it like acts as like a blush too, kind of. Like sour baby. Guys, I've been obsessed with Mike Towers. I love him. Like amazing. His rapping is just like, I don't really like rappers, but like he's something else. And then for my nose, to contour my nose, I use the Hoola Benefit. It's a mini that I've had for like years that my best friend gave me. I still use it, so comes in very handy. Okay, so I use, this is my like go-to lip combo. So it's the eye pencil, but I use it for my lips because it's basically the same thing. There was no brown pencil, but it's in the shade brown. It's NYX Professional Makeup. NYX NYX. I don't know how to say it. So. I don't really outline, I just define. Okay, so then after that, and then I color it a little bit. So then I get this one, which is the NYX NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade London. And then I just... I use my finger a lot. But I believe that is pretty much it. Now for the hair. So, for those of you who don't know, I cut my own hair in layers, like by myself. So how I did that is kind of embarrassing because I have to like put my hair up like a unicorn, like right here. So so just like hold on and then watch. Okay, so before you guys say anything, this is, but so put it in a ponytail like the opposite way of your head, and then you're gonna get another liga or hair tie, and then you're going to do it like right here. And then you're gonna like stretch it out so it's like straight kind of. And then basically you're just gonna cut it, straight cut it right there. This is so embarrassing, I literally can't. But so I'm gonna cut it. Okay, so there you go. It's not perfect, but I cut it. So now you brush it out just to get all the hair out, because you don't want it falling everywhere. And then, whoa. And then now you're just gonna blow dry it. So I'm just gonna blow dry it, you know. Throughout the blow dry, just take breaks and then brush your hair, because you want it to be straight, but at the same time have like a little like curve at the end. So this is my hair all blow dried out, but that is pretty much it for this video. Showed you guys my makeup, my hair, and how I cut it and how I blow dry it. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna take pictures for Instagram and for you guys, and hopefully you guys like them. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to see more of me and my weekly videos, which are still coming. I'm still rocking hard with them. You're gonna still be seeing me. Yeah, I'm gonna do this YouTube thing, so just be here with me, support me, and thank you guys so much for watching. So bye.